Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just WhatsApp app is not working after you update your iPhone to iOS 15, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your WhatsApp app and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help you, just open cellular data. If you use it, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your WhatsApp app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here WhatsApp. And if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates for your WhatsApp messenger. So just tap on update and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your WhatsApp. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.